Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a San Francisco 49ers inspired look with the Morphe 39L palette. And I'm going to start off with this red shade on a Morphe M433 brush. It's a nice little blending brush. And I'm just going to start in the outer corner and work my way up. And actually, I'm going to take a pause for a second and put some setting powder under my eye with a sponge just in case there's any fallout. Little insurance never hurt anybody. And then I'm just going to continue blending upward with no additional product. This is going to be a halo eye, so I'm going to start on the outer corner, and then as you can see, I am going to the inner corner. So I'm just doing the exact same thing that I did on the outer corner, and just building up that color so that we have nice intensity, but it kind of feathers out at the ends. And I'm going to do that on both sides. Next, I'm going to deepen it up with these two shades. They're a little bit darker than that first red, and I'm taking a smaller blending brush. This is a Luxie brush, and I'm just working that really, really low in the inner and the outer corner. And this is just going to give the look a little bit more dimension so that we have like a nice gradient effect going. Now I'm going to grab the Saharan palette by Juvias Place, and I'm just going to grab this really pretty gold shade and pop it right in the center of my lid for a halo eye. It's such a gorgeous gold shade, and it goes perfectly with the San Francisco 49ers colors. So I'm just popping that in the middle of the lid, and then I'm just taking my blending brush and just kind of blending over with no additional product right over the edges to marry the gold shade and the red shade. Now that all of that is blended, I'm just picking up that color one more time, and I'm using a brush to get a little bit more precise of an application and just intensifying the color in the middle. Then I'm taking the shade Kitten Karma and the Stila Glitter and Glow, and I'm just adding a little bit of glitter right on top of that and tapping it out with my finger to blend. Then I'm going back into the 39L palette and grabbing that really pretty gold glitter shade and just tapping that right on top just to really make sure that we're intensifying that glitter moment. And I'm grabbing the lighter white gold shade and popping that in the inner corner and the brow bone. And I'm taking one of the glitter toppers in the middle and just popping it on top just for one more little pop. And then I'm wiping away my bake to reveal a perfect flawless canvas, obviously. And then I'm going to give it one more good blend with no additional product on just a fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M441, just to make sure everything is blended really, really nicely. And then again, I'm popping that Kitten Karma glitter shade from Stila right in the inner corner. Then going back in with the red shades that we started with. This is like the darker ones, the brown and the dark red. And I'm just running that on the lower lash line on both sides. And now I'm grabbing the lighter red that we started with and just running that on a pencil brush right underneath to blend out those darker shades. And then I'm just taking a fluffier brush and running right underneath with no additional product one more time to blend out. Then I'm grabbing that glitter from the palette one more time, and I am taking a really small brush and just popping that on the lower lash line right in the center to kind of line up with the glitter moment happening on the top, and just adding that Stila on top for like a final little punch. Then I'm going to add a coat of mascara. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Full Fat Lashes Mascara. It's a really good mascara. It's very black and it's very, very pretty. It makes your lashes look super fluttery, so I love this one. And then I'm just popping on a pair of lashes to complete the look. This is the Baddie B Insta-Ho Lash. Last but not least, I'm adding a lip liner. This is the Colourpop lip liner in the shade Bossy. And it's just a really pretty red. I just figured a red lip would be cool with this look. You can do any lip color you want. You could do a nude if you wanted. But I just figured I would stick with the red theme and add some red lip liner. Then for the finishing touch, I'm adding the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Redrum. It is such a classic red, and it was just the perfect shade to match the lip liner. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a like and comment down below who you're rooting for in the Super Bowl. I have also done a Kansas City Chiefs look, so I will link that in the eye up above so you can check it out. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!